Hey, are you a real estate agent trying to figure out how to deal with all the buyers, all the sellers, and life in between? And you feel like you're just gonna rip your hair out because you got so much going on? If that's you, I got your solution. What's up, everybody? It's Brandon Melvin with eXp Realty. And guys, I know how you feel, right? You've got all these buyers wanting to go look at all these homes. You got new listing appointments coming up. And then you got buyer consultations in between all this stuff. And then life. We've got all this stuff. And if you don't schedule it correctly, you're going to be bogged down and not know where to go. So if you haven't heard of Calendly, that's where you need to go. Let's dig into it right now. Okay, so first go to calendly.com, get you an account. They have a free version as well as a paid version. I have the paid version because there's a few more aspects of it that I prefer to have. For instance, the free version, you can still have multiple appointment sets, but you can only have one active at any time. So, for example, if you wanted to have a new event type when you get your account and set it up, let's go into the listing consultation. You can set everything up to all the details that you're looking for. So I've titled it listing consultation, and for the location, I have made this an ask invitee. So they can put their address, which is where the listing appointment will be. Now we can obviously have a Zoom listing presentation as well, but all of these different types are what you have available at your disposal. So we'll cancel that because I want to keep it the way it is. And then you have the description and the instructions. This is what they'll see when they register for your appointment, and you can describe what it is that you're going to go over in the meeting. And you can have a specific link which goes on the end of your Calendly link event. And you can also change the color so that way when it populates in your schedule, you know exactly what it is. So we'll cancel that because I don't want to change anything. And then we can go in and book this. So you can change it from 15, 30, 45, 60, or even a custom amount of time. And then the dates can range. For instance, you can edit this over X amount of calendar days. It will roll out into the future. We'll keep it at 14 because that's what I like. And then the time zone. So it's recommended to lock the time zone that you're in so that there's no confusion at that aspect. And then also you have the days and times that you are available, as well as the advanced section, because this way you can show the different increments of time that will be available in your schedule, the maximum amount of times per day you can have this available, as well as how far out in the future someone would need to schedule this so that you don't get booked sooner than you're anticipating. This part I actually really love, the event buffers. So obviously if it takes you time to get to where you're going and to come back from where you were, you want to book that in your schedule, right? So these little features are very cool to have. And then we'll also cancel that because I don't want to change anything. And for the questions, you have your name, your email, those auto-populate. The location, I have that in there because I want that. I want to know where I'm going to for the listing appointment. And then I've added a phone number here. And then again, please share anything that will help prepare for our meeting. So you can again add new questions. You can make it multiple lines, checkboxes, phone numbers, things of that nature, and you can make it required as well. We're going to cancel that because I don't need another one, and cancel that because unsaved changes will be lost. Never mind, actually, yes. So notifications and cancellation policy. The only thing I really use out of here is the email reminder, so that way an invitee will get a email before the event, kind of a reminder. Again, we'll cancel that because I don't want to change anything. And then if you needed to, you can collect payments, but we don't need to in this aspect of the Calendly. So we'll go back, and what you can do is you can copy any one of these links, right, and then send it in an email to whoever that you're looking to potentially set up a listing appointment with. And I already have that set up for myself, so we'll click on that. And this is kind of what they'll see. So they can choose a day of the week that makes sense for them. Any times that I have available, let's do 10 o'clock. We'll confirm. And then you go ahead and fill out your information. The autofill on this one did it incorrectly. So they would put the location of their home. And then you would put your phone number in here. And then you would share, this is the customer, obviously, any kind of more information that would be helpful for our appointment. Click schedule, and boom, in the schedule for both the client, customer, as well as yourself.
And then I also have another link. Going back here, you can click this one and then send this link out, so they have all the choices from listing consultation, buyer consultation, 1 home tour, 2 to 3, 4 to 6. So everyone has the ability to choose whatever it is that they're looking for. You can send that link out, and this is what that will look like. Back in here, they would click it and do the same exact thing.
All right, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this information. I hope it makes your business a little bit smoother. If you did, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and then hit the bell so that way you never miss a new video from the Realtor Real Estate Tip of the Week. See y'all next time.